Welcome to my channel Modern Tech Insights. Intro. Have you ever wondered how tech giants like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google create software? What if I told you they have secrets that you can use too? In today's video, we're diving deep into the coding techniques and practices of these industry leaders. This is just for seasoned developers, but also for anyone who's curious about the tech world. Understanding these giant strategies can help you code better, whether for fun or in your career. So, grab your notebooks, and let's get started. Main content. First up, let's talk about Amazon's approach to coding Amazon is famous for its focus on customer experience. But how do they put that into their coding process? Amazon practices something called working backwards. This means they start by thinking about what the customer needs and then build the product from there. For instance, when they created the Kindle, they didn't just think about making an e-reader. They thought about how readers would interact with books, highlighting features like instant downloads and user-friendly interfaces. This customer-first mentality is crucial. When coding your projects, always ask, who will use this? What do they need? Next, we have Microsoft known for its collaborative culture. Microsoft sets an excellent example of teamwork in coding. Their developers use tools like GitHub for collaboration. This helps them work on projects simultaneously, catching issues early and sharing ideas quickly. An example of this is how they developed Microsoft Teams. By having multiple teams contribute ideas and code, they created a product that meets diverse needs. Think about how you can work with others in your projects. Perhaps you can join coding communities or participate in online hackathons for collaboration. Now, let's shift gears and discuss Google ***. Google is all about innovation and optimization. One of their secrets? Embracing failure to boost learning. They allow their teams to experiment with new ideas, knowing that not all will succeed. For instance, Gmail was once just a small project but grew into one of the most popular email services. Google encourages programmers to learn from mistakes. When coding, don't fear making errors, see them as stepping stones to improvement. Each failure can lead to stronger, more robust code. Let's now dive into some coding techniques these giants use. First, there's the concept of modular programming This is about breaking problems into smaller, manageable pieces. For example, if you're building a website, consider creating separate modules for user login, product listing, and payment processing. This makes your code cleaner and easier to debug. It also allows you to reuse code for future projects. Another vital technique is the use of testing and automation Amazon and Google invest heavily in automated testing. This means that whenever they write new code, they have tests to check that it works correctly. By automating testing, they can deploy updates faster and with fewer issues. Implement automated testing in your projects by using tools like Jest for JavaScript or JUnit for Java. Creating a habit of testing ensures quality in your software. Let's not forget about documentation All these companies emphasize the importance of clear documentation. Good documentation helps other developers understand your code and reduces confusion. Think of it as writing a cookbook for anyone who wants to use or edit your code later. Use comments and create readme files to explain how your code works. Now, what about productivity tools? Tech giants love using tools that improve efficiency. For instance, they might use project management tools like Jira or Asana to keep track of tasks. Staying organized will help you stay on top of your projects too. Lastly, one crucial insight is the importance of continuous learning These companies invest in their employees' growth. From workshops to online courses, they encourage developers to learn and improve. As a coder, don't stop learning. Keep up with the latest trends and technologies by taking online courses, reading articles, or joining coding groups. Outro. So, there you have it. we've uncovered some of the key coding secrets from Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. From focusing on the customer to embracing failure, teamwork to automation, these insights can really change how you code. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to comment below with your thoughts or any coding tips you love. Until next time, happy coding!